So here I am again, working on my truck. Thanks to everybody that subscribed lately. I need to put out more videos, I think, because of it. But so I made a little bit of progress on it, not a ton. I got the 504 kit and I've started putting the spindles on it finally, after figuring out how hopefully not to maim myself doing them. So for anybody that watches this, I probably would find a different way to do it, but this is the way that I found that worked for me. So hopefully this is a little bit helpful. So the problem I've had is watching a bunch of the videos on YouTube. They put the spring up in there and they're able to compress it with a jack down underneath the lower A-arm because they have weight, and I don't have an engine or anything on here, so I can't compress that. So I bought some parts from Amazon and made it work. I would probably find a better way to do it, but I didn't want to spend any more money after I felt like I wasted a bunch. So what I did on it is I bought this spring compressor off of Amazon, and this is the end that came with it, and it is set up for the outside. Well, I can't pull on the outside because the A-arm's in the way. I've got to go to the inside, and that ain't gonna work. So I took this one, I beat the snot out of it on that awesome vise, so that now when I put that on, it grabs hold. Oh, gotta go inside. That's in the way. So now it lines up. So I dropped this down through where the shock mount goes. Drop that down through there, and then thread that down through the coil, and then start to compress it. And then with a couple tie downs, I hold it back out of the way so it won't blow up on me, and it'll hopefully line up in that pocket on the bottom. And then I take my truck and I backed my truck over the top of the frame horn, and then took my jack and jacked it up in there until I could get the bolts in the spindles. So it was probably a fairly easy project that I made pretty difficult because I'm cheap, but I'll do a time lapse of me doing it, and hopefully it's helpful. And again, do it at your own risk, because I don't know what I'm doing, and the time lapse you might see me get hurt. We'll see. So I got the all thread piece down through with the washer, and then I've shoved the A-arm all the way down, and I've got my piece down there wrapped in and around. Now I'll take this, put her in there, and there she goes. Okay, glad it wasn't too far gone.